Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best coupons for CNFANS in 2024 and how to actually use CNFAN promo codes. So first things first guys, I'm going to show you how to get the best codes, okay? Best ones usually you'll find on their Discord server. You can just, when you come to their website, just click here to open the Discord link, and then you basically just want to accept the invite to their Discord server, and you're going to see many sections where they share really good coupon codes. So once you do that and you log in, you want to just log into the account, and then up here you see this profile icon right here. Just click on this and then click on my account. Okay, click on my account. Okay, we're gonna wait for this to load up. Now here under user center, you'll see here available coupons. We've not actually added any coupons or used anything, and none have expired. Basically, once you get your coupons from this Discord server, once this loads up, I'll be able to show you here. We are being redirected to join a Discord server. So once you join this, you'll get your coupons. Basically, what you want to be doing. Okay, once we accept the invite, there's a lot of people here getting coupons, guys. Look, 276,000 plus members, 39,000 are online right now. So you just enter the code, copy and paste it, and click on exchange, and basically you will have coupons available. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Make sure you subscribe for that, though. And I can see you in the next video.